Hello, this is Marlene, and I am recording some instructions today for your week for the next 2 weeks for lesson tab 3. And I'm using a new screencast FI instead of my Cast-O-Matic, so this is kind of a trial. But for folder 3, you will have units 11 through 15. And it will be covering the medications and the disease processes for several of the major systems, as in urinary system, respiratory system, digestive, nervous system, and the eye. Also, I have placed on here, I think that you can see that you'll have a quiz over, it says unit 7 through 12. It's actually 5 through 10, and I will get that changed before I bring this thing up online live for you this evening. I also, for your condition presentation, I wanted to give you a heads up now for you to have a full month to work on it, and it's only for like a 10-minute presentation, the equivalent of PowerPoints or a poster of some type or anything, however you want to do it, even if you do a video regarding a condition presentation. Shelley, I believe that you have Parkinson's, and Kara, you have congestive heart failure. Then you have, in addition to your PowerPoints, over the, going a little faster, over your PowerPoints for units 11 through 15, you have the diseases of the lung from Khan Academy, what is blood pressure, also from Khan Academy, Alzheimer's organization, which I really wanted you to focus on 2 things there, one of which is the 10 warning signs for Alzheimer's, and also the brain interactive tour for Alzheimer's to give us a more definitive approach to what's actually going on with the residents that we're taking care of. And that way, then there is a short video called Diabetes Simplified. There is a link for the American Heart Association for Heart and Brain Studies. It's an interactive video, so that as you have studied the cardiovascular system, you will also see with interaction, what the videos, what's actually going on. They are great videos, and I really encourage you to watch those. There's also, I've got another UTI, another little fun video that goes along with the genitourinary system. Then, really, all you got to do is your study guides. You have 2 weeks to do this all, and you will drop it into the Dropbox by July 12th. Keep working on those drug cards as well, because by July 13th they must be turned in, or they will have to be a 0 for that assignment, because remember that there are no late assignments. The same goes with discussions as well. The second Thursday, you need to have your initial discussion in, or I cannot count that for an assignment, and then respond by Sunday. And that actually goes in with your clinical grade for attendance. So I hope that this makes sense. And this next 2 weeks, your discussion will be on the pros and cons of general medication information. You don't have to wait till the second Thursday to, put in your discussion, but you're certainly welcome to do so. I hope that this will all make sense. I think you guys have been doing a fine job so far, and I just want you to keep up the good work, but don't get behind on those drug cards. Make sure that you have them ready to turn in. If you look at your clinical schedule, I have put it up online. You can see that. I sent you a message about that, as I'm rolling this up, I have put the clinical schedule right up here, right in the very first portion, or the first page, the orientation of information. I've downloaded that. I will open this up so you can see that as it takes its time. It's trying. What we have is July 14th from 8 to 1. We'll have lab at NCK. We'll do the same on the 15th, but we'll actually do the lab over at Via Christi Village. Then we'll have clinicals the next week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday from 7 to 1, all 3 days. Then the following week, we will go 7.5 hours. We'll do the full shift on the 28th from 6 to 2, and then you will be done with your clinical schedule. Remember, you are required to be at all clinicals, and then at that point you'll be finishing up your last week of study, and you'll be taking your final exam as well. Hope all is going well for you, and I thank you for doing all of your hard work.